One of our customers manufactures a part that services the public sector, and they were presented with a significant challenge in the book-to-bill process, meaning that their product became so popular that their sales outpaced their ability to deliver the product. They had all this significant backlog relative to this really important product to them, and they couldn't bill against it because the product wasn't out being used. We identified that as an organization and worked closely with the business to determine that our methodology around multi-site deployment would be a really good fit. And we also determined that not only could we help them with the multi-site deployment offering to help them in the book-to-bill process, but their product had a cloud revenue associated with it as well. And because they weren't able to get the product into production or into the field, they also weren't able to recognize the cloud revenue associated with the product. So we knew that it was a very significant problem for them. We knew that we could leverage our multi-site deployment offering to help them speed up the process of their deployments. So we worked very closely with the team to rapidly build out teams to learn the process of how to deploy this product. And as a result, we quickly helped them burn through their backlog and continue to burn through their backlog. This ultimately is helping them out because not only are they now recognizing the revenue associated with that product sale, but they're also now quickly ramping up the cloud revenue associated with the product itself as it's being used. This is benefiting their customers because they've placed orders for this product and have a really high demand for the product to be installed at their locations. And so because we're able to quickly deploy this product, they're able to actually see the benefits of the product that they purchased from our customer.